Welcome students to the next topic of nationalism in India. Today we are going to discuss about the Swaraj plantations and the Chauri Chaura movement. With this, Mahatma Gandhi is going to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. So, the workers too had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the notion of Swaraj. For the plantation workers of Assam, for them the freedom meant that they should move in and out of their confined space where they enclosed. They wanted a link with their own village. Actually, these people they came from Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand for the plantation works under the control of Britishers. And these people are not allowed to move out because of Inland Immigration Act of 1859. What is this Inland Immigration Act? Inland Immigration Act of 1859 describes that gives immense power to the employers, and the workers are not allowed to move out from the confined place without the permission of the employer, and such permission was very rare. Britishers never allowed to these people to move out. Suppose they wanted to go to the church or the temple or to purchase to some things to the shop and all, they never allow. They are willing to go to their own village. From there they came, but they never allow. Now they came to know about this non-cooperation movement and Mahatma Gandhi. Somebody told that Gandhi Raj was coming. They become enthusiastically, they defied the authorities and they moved towards the village. Means they have to move to the railway station first. From there only they will go to their own villages. So all thousands of workers defied and they moved towards the railway station to board the trains. Because the poor people, they thought that Gandhi Raj was coming and he would be giving the land in there. Somebody told them that Gandhiji is going to distribute the land in their own village. And these poor plantation workers, they believe these things. And they move towards that railway station. And what happens? The poor people never reach the destination. Stranded by a railway strike or steamer strike, they were in the railway station and the Britishers came with the police and brutally beaten up the people, those who ran away from the plantation fields. But these movements, different type of movements happened, like Awadh peasant movements, tribal movement, as well as Swaraj movement. Congress, they don't have any definition at all. So they did not give any definition of these movements. But one thing has happened. All these movements, they chanted the name of Mahatma Gandhi. And also they raised the slogan, Swatantra Bharat, that emotionally related the All India agitation. They used Mahatma Gandhi's name, so in such a way Swaraj. But though they are having their own notions, that we understood. Our places, they are having their own notions. Same as it is your Alluri Sitaram Raju's, your Andhra Pradesh, Gudem Hills, they are also having their own notions, ideas. These Swaraj plantation workers, they are also having their own notions. उनके लिए freedom कुछ और है. But all are using this or connected with Gandhiji. Gandhiji ka connected hai, and in such a way they are connected with Congress also. So एक all India agitation एक movement का एक form हो गया. But in 1922, a big incident happened in Gorakhpur, UP. Chauri Chaura incident. Chauri Chaura is a city of Gorakhpur. In 1922, a peaceful demonstrations that was happened in the bazaar, but the police and the demonstrators clash. They started, that leads to violence, and the satyagrahis or the demonstrators or people those who are participating in the movement, they attacked the police station, and in that incident 22 policemen burnt alive. A big violence. Because of that only Mahatma Gandhi withdrew his movement. अप्रीहेंसिव होकर के महात्मा गांधी ने उस मूवमेंट को नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट विड्रॉ कर दिया. आपको मार्क क्वेश्चन में आएंगे, मार्क द प्लेस वेयर महात्मा गांधी विड्रॉ द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. तब यू हैव टू मार्क यूपी, मार्क करना है गोरखपुर में, यूपी और बिहार का बॉर्डर है गोरखपुर. चौरी चौरा, चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट क्या है, सिग्निफिकेंस पूछेगा तो बोलेंगे पीसफुल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन को बाजार में जो क्लैश हो गए विद पुलिस and they set afire the police station. मतलब आग लगा दिया पुलिस स्टेशन को. 22 policemen burnt alive. This was a cruel activity by the demonstrators. That is the Mahatma Gandhi dismissed the non-cooperation movement. February 1922, he dismissed this non-cooperation movement, and he thought that the Satyagrahis could first of all they should be trained. उन्हें ट्रेनिंग देना चाहिए कि कैसे जो एक मूवमेंट चलाना है पीसफुल. सी माय आइडिया इज नॉन वायलेंस एंड दीस पीपल एवरीवेयर wherever the movement started violence. Our present movement started on violence, end with violence. Alluri Sitaram Raju, tribal groups, they also started the movement but end with the violence. Swaraj Plantation, they also started the movement, end with violence. Everywhere violence. So that is महात्मा गांधी ने ये सोचा कि सबसे पहले ये सत्याग्रही को ट्रेनिंग देना है कि हाउ टू डू अ सत्याग्रह और द मूवमेंट मास स्ट्रगल. तब तक तो क्या हो गया, विद इन द कांग्रेस देयर इज अ टेंशन बिटवीन द लीडर्स. Many leaders are totally tired of this mass struggle and all. They are not ready to continue the mass struggles, and they wanted to join the provincial council elections that set up according to the Government of India Act 1919. 1919 गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ब्रिटिश लोगों ने काउंसिल बना दिया, उसमें इंडियंस को इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता था. तो दे वांटेड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द इलेक्शन. वो उनका कहना यही है कि वी विल गो एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन इलेक्शन एंड हम इलेक्ट हो जाएंगे, वहां पहुंचेंगे एंड वी विल डिस्कस द मैटर्स विद इन द काउंसिल एंड हम अपना अधिकार लेंगे और उसको ये बताएंगे यू आर नॉट एक्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेमोक्रेसी, डेमोक्रेटिक वे में यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. And we can raise the questions also in the provincial council. So C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru ka papa, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, they are senior leaders, and they formed a party, Swaraj Party within the Congress. Congress का अंदर एक पार्टी बना दिया. कौन सी है? स्वराज पार्टी. Who made? Who formed? C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. They formed a separate party, Swaraj Party within the Congress. But the radicals like Jawaharlal Nehru, young leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they were totally rejected this movement. Means जो इस तरह दूसरा पार्टी बना करके मूवमेंट को मतलब मूवमेंट नहीं करना, काउंसिल इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करना है ना, वो मूवमेंट को टोटली इग्नोर कर दिया. They were not ready to participate in such a movement. They need more radical movements and full complete independence from the Britishers. That was their notion. Right? Abhi next topic we are going to start a civil disobedience movement. आज इतना है क्योंकि now onwards we should prepare for the UT. So I will give the revision test for this UT and all. So civil disobedience movement after the UT only. Right? Thank you for the cooperation and prepare for the UT.